Hey everybody, 10/17, 27 seconds, Monday, March 11th. This is mini number 1 for the Avengers 4, the 3.0 slab. Over here are the 20 filled spots. Alright. Emilio, I know you said you were driving, so just send the payment. I vouch for you. You're a good guy. So, numbers 11, going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list gets the first 7 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second will get the next 2 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in third will get the next single open spot in the main. The spots are filled in order. So let's get this show on the road. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here comes the final one, 11. My Sweet Adeline comes in first and second. Jeff Lewis comes in third. My Sweet Adeline gets the first 9 spots. Jeff gets the next single spot. Time is 10:18.